What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I was reading the comments and saw a request. Can we make a new vanity? Sure, let's give it a try. And maybe we can use a few things we found at the Dollar Tree. I picked up some wooden doll furniture, 2 mini dressers, and this little sofa table or desk. Then I noticed the knobs on this one are off-center, so I picked up another one. These were $1.25 each, so this cost me $5. I also picked up a mirror in the candle section. Hello, everyone! And a few laser cutouts. At $1.25 each, all of this cost $10. I think we might need some recycled paperboard as well, and paint. I think we can glue together these 3 pieces to make our vanity. So let's remove the legs from the desk right underneath the drawers. That's going to bridge these 2 pieces together. But this is pretty thin. I think I want it a little thicker. I measure the sides, cut recycled paperboard, stack and glue layers together. I made 2. And I'm gonna glue them onto the sides. Add paperboard to the bottom to extend it. Glue on small pieces of paperboard to fill in the gaps. I'm also adding a piece to the top, but now we have a little seam. Cut and stack a few layers to go on top to make it look smooth and cover it up. So now we've made this piece of furniture a little wider. Repeat to make 2. Take the long, thin table that we cut the legs off of, and let's fill the sides with paperboard to fill in the gap, then glue another piece on top to make it flush. On this furniture, I'm finding that the sides aren't always the same, and I have to check my measurements for each side individually. Now the sides are flush with the top, and I'm gonna glue it between the 2 larger pieces of furniture. Let's add a little detail and cut tiny pieces of paperboard and glue them onto the front of all the drawers. I added details to the side, and let's put a smaller piece on top. I would like to clean this up just a little, so let's add a piece right there. Another strip on top. Let's remove one of the knobs from the center. Take one of the laser cut icons, cut off a piece. They cut pretty easily. And we're gonna just glue that there. I added a few more to make it extra fancy. Then take the legs we cut earlier and glue them underneath. And I just realized that I could pull off the layers, so I have more to decorate my vanity. Okay, back to what I was supposed to be doing, which was gluing on the legs. Adding a little height to the vanity. Let's use the other desk for a bench. I'm just gonna pull off these knobs. Oh, come on. They came off easily the first time. All right, that one's good. Come on. I chose to sand it a little, and now we have a bench. I want to glue the mirror to the back, but I don't want to do that until after we paint. And I was also thinking maybe we could add a few more of those little decorative pieces. So let's paint it. I'm using a white acrylic paint with a satin finish. I needed a little extra support right here, so I added some more of those cut pieces of clock in the back. You know, these things. Let's cover the bench. I'm gluing a fuzzy material on top and gluing it underneath to make a comfy, cozy bench. The weight of this is still a little too much, so I'm gonna add another set of legs on the inside, then paint them to match. I think that's better. Let's take a little gold paint, get a little on the tip of your brush, and then I'm just gonna swirl it around a little to get off a lot of the paint, then just lightly brush it to help bring out some of those details. I like to start with just a little, and then if you want more, you can just build it up. This is the time to just highlight all of those little details. I add a little extra paint to the knobs. Then I take the mirror and glue it in the back. I add a jumbo popsicle stick going across for extra support. It's a little off center. The glue was drying fast. There was a lot of moving parts. I have a lot of excuses. But we're just gonna work with it today, and I'm gonna take the other piece of the clock that we cut right here, and I'm gonna glue it onto the back, completing our Dollar Tree vanity. Even though we added legs, it's not very tall. We probably could have used some square wooden dowels to add more height. Here's my doll sitting on the bench. Her legs can go underneath, however, that little space or countertop in the center is very shallow. We could always extend it like we did the sides if we wanted to make it deeper. But overall, I think it's a very pretty addition to the dollhouse. We can add little perfume bottles from one of our 7 Quick Crafts videos, or some of our other favorites from other crafters like Azusa Barbie. Add flowers, jewelry, whatever you like to make this space your own. I really wanted to make an ornate, antique-looking piece, and I think we got it. Thank you for joining us while we made a vanity for our dolls using items we got from the dollar store. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.